Today we will calculate a volume rate of flow throughout the orifice. So these are the simply tank, and these are the this is our orifice. So our orifice mass volume flow rate equation is Q is equal to 0.61 A under root 2GH. H means this height, area A means this orifice area, and Q is volume rate of flow. So we'll write that in Python code. So first we will import numpy for our array from matplotlib library, plot plt. So it will give our table and our charts from math import py for area calculation. We will input our data. D is equal to diameter of orifice, h is equal to height of tank. Now we will calculate orifice area. Area is equal to pi by 4 d square. Print our area of orifice, and now we will calculate our mass flow rate. So this is simple NP line space 0 h 20. This meaning this 0 to which we will input as a h, it will divide into 20 parts. Now we'll import we'll calculate Q value 0.61 multiplied by area under root 2GH. Now here you can see that I didn't put here h, I put x value. So when it goes through this line space, it will divide 20 part. Each part will calculate for this Q. Now we will plot that every x value in this example, this plot value. These are our x and y label, and these are we will plot Q and x, Q versus x, label flow over time, and plot our legend. So we'll run this code. We'll import our input our diameter. Diameter is 10 mm. Our height of is 1 meter. So you can see that Q versus height. This graph is plotted, and you can see that at height of 1 meter, maximum mass flow rate is achievable. Means volume flow rate, not mass flow rate actually. So Q volume flow rate. Here you can see that one means small means singularity is not there. You can increase our this division. If you write 200 division, means 0 to means what you will input as a h, it will divide into 200 times. So if we run this code, you can see that plot is very smoothly is plotted. So by this way you can plot different height versus volume flow rate. Thank you guys.